Hello, students. An act of cleverness. 7th Standard English Notes. Part 2 English. Comprehension. Answer each of the following questions in a phrase or a sentence. First question. What was Shankar's father? Answer. Shankar's father had a jewelry shop. Second question. What were the thieves stealing? Answer is the thieves were steal the jewelry. Third question. Where were the thieves when Shankar let out the air from the tires? Answer is the thieves were in the jewelry shop when Shankar let out the air from the tires. Fourth question. Well done, my boy. You are very clever. Who said this? Answer is how brave. The inspector patted on Shankar's back and said, well done, my boy. You are very clever. Everyone praised Shankar for his cleverness. Fifth question. Why did people praise Shankar? Answer. People praised Shankar because he caught thieves at jewelry shop bravely. People praised Shankar for his cleverness and presence of mind. Second main, arrange these sentences in the order in which things happened in the story. Write the correct number in the box. First one is Shankar was returning home on his bicycle after group studies. Second one, Shankar saw the doors of his father's jewelry shop open. Eighth one, the police arrested the thieves. Sixth one, he let the air out from all the four tires of the jeep. Third one, he wondered why the shop was open at 11 o'clock at night. Fourth one, there was a jeep on the road. The two men were putting a heavy bag into it. Fifth one, when he heard them whisper about the stolen goods, he understood that they were thieves. Seventh one, he cycled at top speed to the nearby police station and informed the police about the thieves. Ninth one, the inspector praised Shankar for his cleverness and presence of mind. Third main, complete the following sentences. The questions below each of these lines will help you. There was a dash on the road. There was a jeep on the road. Question is, what was on the road? There was a jeep on the road. Second one, Shankar saw dash men putting a heavy bag into the jeep. How many men did Shankar see? Shankar saw few men putting a heavy bag into the jeep. Third one, the thieves had collected dash in the bag. What had the thieves collected in the bag? The thieves had collected jewelry in the bag. Shankar informed the police about dash. What did Shankar inform the police about? Shankar informed the police about thieves. Shankar's school was holding a function to dash Shankar for his cleverness. Why was Shankar's school holding a function? Shankar's school was holding a function to honor Shankar for his cleverness. Match the pictures with the words. Postman receiving a parcel. envelope, post box, pasting a stamp. Weighing a parcel. Fifth one, fill in the blanks with the words given in the box and complete the letter. 21st New Horizon Circle, Bengaluru. 21st August. First one. Second one, Dear Ravi. Hope this letter finds you in the pink of health. We celebrated Deepavali with great pomp. Manish had also come. We missed you a lot. We met our old friends at school. Hope to see you during summer holidays. Convey my regards to all at home. Yours lovingly, Shashank. Here few words are there. Yours, summer, celebrated, met, 21st August, dear, Mr. Regards. These are filled by dashes. Sixth main, imagine you are Rekha. You had attended the program where Shankar was honored. You are very happy and want to tell your sister Rashmi about the program. Use the following format to write a letter. Place Challakere, date 10/12/2024. Dear sister Rashmi, hi Rashmi, how are you? Hope you are fine. I want to share my feelings. I am very happy because I attended the program where Shankar was honored for his bravery. Yours Rekha, affectionately or lovingly, Rekha, your name. C. Language in use. Seventh main, read these sentences. First one, immediately he hid behind a tree. Second one, there was a jeep on the road. Third one, two men were putting a heavy bag into it. Fourth one, our school is holding a function next week. Fifth one, my brother is an engineer. We say a tree, a jeep, a bag, a function, but we say an engineer, an egg, an owl, an elephant. We use a before the words which begin with consonant sound and an before the words which begin with vowel sound. Work in pairs. Look at these pictures and answer the questions that follow. First one, what does Savita have for breakfast? Savita has an egg for breakfast. Second one, what does Suguna have? Suguna has an apple for breakfast. Third one, what does Lakshman have? Lakshman has a banana for breakfast. Fourth one, what does Suresh have? Suresh has a sandwich for breakfast. What does Rashmi have? Rashmi has an orange for breakfast. Eighth man, read these sentences. They collected a lot of jewelry. They whispered that the jewelry they had collected would fetch them a lot of money. Second one, there was a jeep on the road. Shankar ran to the jeep and let out the air from all the four tires. We use the when we talk about a person or thing for the second time. Use a, an, or the complete to complete these sentences. First one, I bought a book. The book was interesting. Raju ate an apple. An apple was red. I met a boy in the market. The boy had blue eyes. Fourth one, I saw an ant. An ant was dark and tiny. Fifth one, Ravi presented a ring to Lakshmi. The ring was beautiful. D. Listening. Ninth main, listen to the poem recited by your teacher and fill in the blanks as you listen. What's in the mailbox? Most always, when the postman comes with letters, two or three, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. I am going to write some letters though. That's what I am going to do. And then my friends will answer me. And I will get letters too. Teacher to recite the poem to the students. What's in the mailbox? Most always, when the postman comes with letters 2 or 3, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. I am going to write some letters though, that's what I am going to do. And then my friends will answer me and I will get letters too. Spoken English. 10th main language function asking how someone is saying how someone is. Read the following question and statement. First one, how are you? Second one, I am fine. Expression 1 is used to ask how someone is, and expression second is saying how someone is. Now read the following statements and classify them under two headings given below. First one, house life. Second one, I am quite well. Third one, how are your parents? Fourth one, hope you are keeping well. Fifth one, fine, thanks. How are things? I am very well indeed, thank you. On top of the word thanks, good. How is your little sister Radha? Serial number, asking how someone is, saying how someone is. First one, how's life? Saying how someone is, I am quite well. Second one, how are your parents? Fine, thanks. Third one, hope you are keeping well. I am very well indeed. Thank you. Fourth one, how are things? On the top of the word, thanks. Fifth one, how is your little sister Radha? Good. Fun time. Train your brain. Learn and enjoy activity. Can you solve the following riddles? Try yourself and discuss with your friends. First one. What starts with letter E, ends with the letter E and contains one letter? Answer is envelope. Second one, what starts with P and ends with E and has millions of letters? Answer is post office. Third one, why are Saturday and Sunday strong days? Answer is because they are not weekdays. WEEK, weekdays. Fourth one, which animal can jump higher than a house? Answer is all animals because house can't jump. Fifth one, how many months have 28 days? Answer is all the 12 months. Vocabulary. Read these sentences. First one. The inspector patted Shankar's back and said, "You are very clever." Second one. We should be as confident as Shankar. Third one. I am fine here with my studies. Fourth one. I am writing to tell you about a brave deed of my friend Shankar. The underlined words are describing words. They describe persons, things, animals, etc. They are called adjectives. Here are two boxes. 11th main. Here are two boxes. Box A contains describing words and box B contains the words that can be described with help of the words in box A. Match the appropriate words from both the boxes and fill in the blanks and complete the sentences that follow. In A, intelligent, beautiful, interesting, delicious, large. In B column, scenery, film, dishes, building, student. First one, Rahim is an intelligent student. He always secures the first rank. Second one, they live in that large building. It has 20 houses. Third one, I watched Mungaru Male yesterday. It was really a very interesting film. Fourth one, the beautiful scenery of Kashmir attracts tourists from across the country. Fifth one, we really enjoyed the dinner last night. It was full of delicious dishes.